Have you ever seen drywall tape that can also be used as a corner bead? In today's video, Corey's going to show us how to cover this difficult seam with this game-changing product. I'm Danielle, and welcome to De-cor Homes.
Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes. On today's video, we're going to go over how to do long lengths of corners for drywall. We didn't use a paper corner bead. We didn't use a metal corner bead. We used this Midflex corner bead. It's a long roll with a metal inside and a paper outside. So this drywall tape with the metal inside can either be used for an inside corner or an outside corner. For us, we used the regular paper corner bead for the inside corner. So what we do is we push it all the way in, then we pull it out. So when we pull it outwards, what it does is it creates a little cavity in between here, and it gives us something to mud, an easy surface to mud on. So we just take it, we pull a hair out.
So you're doing that right now?
Yeah. One of the main things you have to consider when you're trying to do an outer corner, especially one with this metal inside, The flex is fairly significant and sometimes they tend to open up. So what I'm trying to do is not get a perfect corner. Once I press the paper into the wall as firmly as it goes, then it's gonna adhere and it's gonna glue in there. After that, we could fill in this gap. So once this dries, then we can fill this little gap that we've created. This should take about 30 minutes to dry, and once this dries, it won't be dry enough to sand, but it will be dry enough to put a second coat of mud on.
I feel like you still have some learning to do. So check out this video and don't forget to subscribe.